Hello and welcome to the MathOS channel. I'm René, a French math teacher living in Marseille, south of France. I've been broadcasting math videos for about 3 years in French, and recently some friends told me that I should also broadcast in English, and that's what I'm doing right now. I apologize for my French accent and I hope that it won't prevent you to understand what I'm talking about. This is my very first try, and I must say that I'm very excited to start this project. I hope that we will be able to exchange about math, teaching math, and so on. As the first video, and since we're still in January, I decided to convert my video de bonne année into some Happy New Year video, and I can't wait to know if you like it. Of course, as you will see, I've put some math into that video, but I won't tell you more about it right now, and I'll let you discover why the integer 2022 is so special. In the coming weeks, I'll upload on a regular basis more and more stuff on this channel, and I hope that you'll enjoy it and find it useful.